Hey there, this is Jill. I'm making lunch right now and I wanted to show you real quick what I'm using because it has to do with the charcuterie and pork preservation class coming up pretty quick. What I have today for you is lardo. This is a superfood because this is the back fat from the pig. This was actually a pretty thin one and we preserved it in this bag of salt. That's it. You can see there's some spices on it. But this is from December 10 is when I wrote on the bag that I put it in. What I'm doing today is going to do some burger for lunch. I'm going to dice this, throw it in the pan, let it render. However, you can see that one has the end cut off it. Because this is perfectly preserved in the salt without any heating, and it's simply fat, it makes a great superfood for people that are on a keto or carnivore diet. It's a great snack. It'll just carry you right on over. And it's shelf stable. So if you're camping, traveling, whatever, it's good to go. So lardo is one of our favorite things. It's a very traditional food in a lot of Eastern European countries. We get quite a few folks from that part of the world that want some because they want to make their cultural specialty. But it's a great homestead thing to have. We're going to be making some in the class coming up in December very shortly here. So if you want to know how to make lardo and a lot of other pork that's preserved outside of refrigeration, not heated, not cooked, just salt and time, you need to be at that class. Learn how to do it. Learn how to make great stuff. This is Jill from Baker's Green Acres and the Anyone Can Farm Experience. Have a great and abundant day.